How to use AI to make extra money. In an era characterized by technological advancement and digital innovation, the ways in which we earn money have undergone a profound transformation. Artificial intelligence, AI, once the stuff of science fiction, has become an integral part of our daily lives. Beyond simplifying tasks and improving efficiency, AI now offers a tantalizing opportunity to make extra money. Whether you're looking to bolster your income or embark on a new entrepreneurial journey, AI could be your path to financial success. The gig economy reinvented. AI-powered freelancing. One of the most transformative applications of AI in the realm of making extra money is the reinvention of the gig economy through AI-powered freelancing platforms. Traditionally, freelancers, independent contractors, and gig workers had navigated a labyrinth of job listings, networking, and self-promotion to secure work. However, the integration of AI into freelancing platforms has revolutionized this landscape. These AI-driven platforms leverage advanced algorithms to analyze a freelancer's profile, encompassing skills, experience, work history, and preferences. With this information, AI systems match freelancers with highly relevant job opportunities. This results in a streamlined process, where freelancers are presented with curated job listings that align with their expertise and interests. Moreover, AI extends its influence to the bidding and negotiation process. Freelancers can use AI algorithms to determine optimal pricing for their services based on market trends, demand, and competition. This ensures that they are not only matched with the right clients but also equipped with the tools to negotiate fair compensation. Trading and investment. AI-driven financial strategies. For those with an interest in financial markets and investing, AI offers a powerful avenue to make extra money through trading and investment. The application of AI in finance has unlocked the potential for automated trading systems that can analyze vast amounts of data, detect patterns, and execute trades with speed and precision beyond human capability. Algorithmic trading, often referred to as algo trading, utilizes AI and machine learning to develop trading strategies that capitalize on market inefficiencies and fluctuations. These algorithms can analyze historical price data, news sentiment, economic indicators, and even social media trends to make informed trading decisions. Additionally, AI-powered robo-advisors have democratized investment opportunities. These digital platforms leverage AI to assess an individual's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon, and then recommend a diversified portfolio of assets. This enables individuals, even those with limited financial expertise, to invest in a way that aligns with their objectives. Furthermore, AI-driven trading bots offer an opportunity for more active traders to execute strategies 24/7, capitalizing on global markets across various asset classes. These bots can adapt to changing market conditions, apply complex technical analysis, and execute trades at lightning speed, potentially generating consistent returns. Entrepreneurial ventures, AI-powered business ideas. AI has not only revolutionized traditional employment and financial markets, but has also opened doors for entrepreneurial ventures that can yield substantial extra income. Entrepreneurs and innovators are leveraging AI to create novel business ideas and solutions across various industries. One burgeoning area is AI-driven e-commerce. Entrepreneurs can employ AI algorithms to optimize product recommendations, personalize marketing strategies, and automate customer service. For instance, AI chatbots can engage with customers, answer inquiries, and even facilitate sales transactions, reducing the need for human intervention. Another avenue for entrepreneurial success is the development of AI-powered software applications and tools. Entrepreneurs can identify gaps in industries and create AI solutions that address specific pain points. For example, AI-powered data analytics tools can help businesses make data-driven decisions, while AI-driven health tech applications can enhance healthcare services and patient care. Moreover, AI offers opportunities in content creation and creative industries. AI-generated art, music, and literature are gaining traction, and entrepreneurs can explore platforms that facilitate the sale and distribution of AI-generated creative works. AI-enhanced content creation. Monetizing digital creativity. The digital age has ushered in a new era of content creation, where individuals can leverage AI to produce and monetize a wide range of content. From bloggers and vloggers to podcasters and social media influencers, AI-powered tools are transforming the content landscape. AI-driven content creation tools can generate written articles, create video animations, and even compose music. For bloggers and writers, AI can assist in generating topic ideas, optimizing SEO, and enhancing the overall quality of written content. Similarly, video creators can use AI to streamline video editing processes, add visual effects, and automate captioning and subtitling. Social media influencers can employ AI to analyze data on audience engagement, content performance, and demographic insights. This data-driven approach enables influencers to tailor their content to the preferences of their followers, attract brand collaborations, and increase their earning potential through sponsored content and affiliate marketing. Podcasters can also benefit from AI-driven transcription and translation services, making their content accessible to a global audience and potentially attracting advertisers and sponsors. AI in real estate. Smart investment decisions. Real estate has long been considered a lucrative avenue for investment, and AI is increasingly playing a crucial role in helping individuals make informed and profitable real estate decisions. AI-driven real estate tools and platforms empower investors to identify promising properties, predict market trends, and optimize rental or resale strategies. One prominent application is AI-powered property search engines. These platforms utilize machine learning algorithms to analyze vast data sets of property listings, historical pricing data, neighborhood statistics, and even sentiment analysis of local news. As a result, prospective real estate investors can quickly identify properties that align with their investment goals. Additionally, AI-driven predictive analytics can forecast future property values, rental income potential, and neighborhood growth. Investors can use these insights to make strategic decisions about when and where to buy or sell real estate, maximizing their returns. For individuals interested in rental income, AI-powered property management platforms offer tools to streamline property management tasks. These platforms can automate rent collection, maintenance schedules, and even tenant screening, making the process more efficient and profitable. AI and online education. Teaching and learning in the digital age. Online education has experienced exponential growth, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation, offering opportunities for both educators and learners to generate extra income. AI-driven education platforms, often referred to as EdTech, have revolutionized the way knowledge is delivered, assessed, and monetized. Educators can leverage AI-powered platforms to create and sell online courses. These platforms offer tools for course creation, including video production, quizzes, assignments, and interactive content. AI algorithms can help educators identify knowledge gaps, track student progress, and provide personalized feedback, enhancing the overall learning experience. Furthermore, educators can monetize their expertise by offering live or recorded webinars and workshops. AI can facilitate the organization, marketing, and delivery of these events, reaching a global audience and generating income through ticket sales or subscriptions. On the learner side, AI-driven online education platforms often employ recommendation algorithms to suggest relevant courses and learning pathways. This personalized approach enhances the learning experience and increases the likelihood of completing courses successfully. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.